Hi everyone, I am Sakshi and today is day 88 of English Speaking Challenge. And today I am here to speak on a new topic, and that is the power of imagination. So let's start. So, have you ever closed your eyes and think about the something that you have not yet received from the universe? And when we close our eyes and when we think about something that we have not received from the universe, and we think about beyond our we think about that is called as imagination. So imagination, this smartphone, this room, this AC, all are part of imagination. Once scientists or inventors have think about it, they have worked beyond their thinking, then imagination has come. So it is not limited only to scientists or inventors. It is imagination is used in our daily life with everyone. For example, the writer who has written poet has first imagined it. The teacher who will solve difficult problem and explain that problem to student, the teacher has examined that. Same way, singer has imagined the melody of song, how to sing. So imagination is a part of life, and it depends on us how we use that. For a student, for a competitive student, imagination is best friend, or you can say best part of life, because when we are in difficulty, when we are in failure situation, and when we imagine good things, when we think that we are sitting at somewhere, having job there, settled job of government job, and then that imagination bring positivity in our mind, and we are able to we are able to fulfill our dream. But imagination is sometimes good and sometimes it is bad also, because we have two types of mind: positive mind and negative mind. So as we affirm positive things, same we affirm negative things. If we think that if we think in negative way, if we imagine negative things, like negative things, if we will imagine, then it will harm us, it will change it into that reality. So we have to think that how to do imagination, and we should also think that we have to control imagination. Don't let imagination control us. Okay, so suppose there is a student, and he is in dilemma, he is in fear that what I will able to clear the exam or not, and what if I will fail. He is thinking negative thoughts, so he is imagining negative thoughts, so negative result will come. And if he is thinking in a positive way, then positive result will come. So it depends on person to person. Airplane is a best example to show that imagination work. So you have if it has, because of imagination, that inventors thought that when there should be something to fly through sky. So that's why airplane come in discovery. Same in case of mobile phone, inventors thought that there should be something. Inventors thought that there should be something that should be carried in a pocket, and it will be like a computer. We can call it from easily. So what is this? This is imagination. Everything, every outcome that we see today, technology, AI, or any smartphone, gadgets, all are the part of imagination. So human has the capability to think beyond think that no one can think. So every human has that capability to imagine, and the power of imagination is it helps us your dream to become true. It helps us to make your dream into reality. So that is the power of imagination. And I have given you more examples also, like airplane, phone, AC. You are saying this room, this everything, this environment. So we are not less than anyone. We are if someone has imagined to travel on space, So that's all for today video, and if you are liking my video, please like, comment and share. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Have fun. And don't let your imagination down. Imagine whatever you can.